My name is Toby. I am a proud husband and father. Today, I come to you as a dad facing one of the hardest moments of my life, fighting for my 19-year-old son's health and recovery. My son has undergone major surgeries that saved his life. We are thankful to the doctors, but the costs of surgeries, hospital stays, and ongoing treatments have become overwhelming for our family. As any parent would, I just want to see my son heal and live the future he deserves. That is why I am humbly asking for your support. Every donation, big or small, goes directly to his recovery. Your kindness can relieve this burden and give my son the chance to focus on healing. If you cannot donate, please share our story. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for caring and standing with us.